Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn about jobs. Look, listen, and repeat after me.
Firefighter. He is a firefighter.
Astronaut. He is an astronaut.
Teacher. She is a teacher.
Farmer.
They are farmers.
Doctor. He is a doctor.
Dentist. She is a dentist.
Nurse. She is a nurse.
Let's play a game.
Is he a firefighter?
Yes, he is. He is a firefighter.
Is she a nurse? No, she isn't. She's a teacher.
Is he a farmer? No, he isn't. He is a doctor.
Is she a dentist? Yes, she is. She is a dentist.
Is he an astronaut? Yes, he is. He is an astronaut.
Are they teachers? No, they aren't. They are farmers.
Is she a nurse? Yes, she is. She is a nurse. You did a great job. Now, let's keep learning.
Police officer. He is a police officer.
Cook. She is a cook.
Dancer. They are dancers.
Driver. He is a driver.
Pilot. He is a pilot.
Singer. She is a singer.
Student. They are students.
Barber. He is a barber.
Worker. He is a worker.
Let's play a game. Pilot.
Singer.
Police officer. Barber.
Cook. Student.
Dancer.
Worker.
Driver.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.